Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Asian style card with the Gingko Branch bundle. Here's my Asian Gingko Branch card inspired by Chinese New Year. I embossed some gold splatters on the back and then added the ginkgo leaves, which I cut out from the distressed gold paper. So I'm going to start with a piece of 3 3/4 by 5 cardstock. I'm going to cut it down later, but I'm going to start with a larger piece for now. I pulled some splatter stamps from several different stamp sets. You can use any splatter you want, and then just go ahead and start to stamp the splatter up towards the right. And then you can use a different splatter for kind of a different pattern. And then another splatter to just fill in some of the gaps. Now I'm gonna use the gold embossing powder and get that powder on there really nicely. And then I'm gonna use my heat tool to heat it up. Isn't that pretty? So now I'm gonna layer it on this piece of gold foil that I've cut out with the stitch rectangle dies. And so I'm just going to make sure that it will fit inside the foil. Now I'm going to emboss our sentiment, friend. And I'm going to use a 1.5 inch circle punch to punch it out. And I'm going to add it to the second smallest circle in the Stylish Shapes dies. And then I'm going to add 2 of these gold sequins that are retiring. Just right there. And that is my Asian-inspired Gingko Branch card. If you would like to earn this card kit for free, you can purchase the bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Email me and let me know that you would like the Gingko Branch card kit.